Hello everyone, my name is Pranjal Kalita and I welcome you all to my channel. So this video is particularly about Accenture work from home reimbursement. Many people have been asking me about this thing. They had so many doubts that I want to clear in this video. And apart from this, there's a channel update as well. So I have removed all of the videos which were not related to the niche that I am following right now. So I decided to stick with a particular niche which is educational content. So from now onwards, I will be only making videos on educational content related stuff. So if you are already a part of this channel, so I will request you to stay with me and help me in this journey. And if you are new to this channel, please make sure to hit like that subscribe button and as well as like this video. So now coming back to Accenture work from home benefits. So people who have joined Accenture already and people who are going to be joining Accenture in the upcoming months, but before December, they all will be eligible to take the benefit of this program. So under this program, Accenture is providing us the opportunity to build a work from home office or a setup for our own personal need. So they're going to be providing us total sum of 18,000, and under that 18,000 we can buy various products for our need. And the best part of this program is that whatever product you had bought from that money, it is totally going to be yours. You don't have to give back to Accenture. You can keep those products for your personal need as well. Okay, I know it is a very great opportunity because you must be thinking that I can buy this thing and that thing, but there's a catch. Okay, Accenture has provided a list of products that you can buy, or not exactly the list of products, but उन्होंने बताया कि ये category है under which you can buy products and you are only restricted to buy products that is mentioned in that list. ठीक है, तो आप अपने से कुछ भी खरीद नहीं सकते. You can buy products which are only mentioned in that list. But don't worry, there's no need to be sad because the products which are listed in that list is sufficient enough to make you happy. Okay, because we have the option to buy earbuds, we have the option to buy speakers, we have the option to buy models, we have the option to buy laptop razor, we have the option to buy gaming keyboard, chairs, etc, etc. Okay, this is the list for your reference. If you want to know what are the products that you can buy, you can take the screenshot of this thing, or you can also go to the reimbursement website which is present in Allsec, and you can get a better detailed explanation on this thing as well. But there are a few points which I want to clarify before moving ahead. So Accenture won't be paying you the entire money initially. What you have to do is आपको products खुद खरीदने पड़ेंगे अपने amount से, ठीक है, अपने पैसे से, and lately you can claim that money for that product from Accenture. The total amount which is limited to us is like 18,000, and 18,000 के अंदर हम कोई भी product खरीद सकते हैं जो भी उस list में mention है. And यहाँ पे मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि best part is there is no capping on amount that we can spend on a particular product. So it is totally up to you कि आप जो टोटल अमाउंट है वो एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट पे खर्च करना चाहते हैं या फिर उस टोटल अमाउंट को आप वेरियस प्रोडक्ट्स पे खर्च करना चाहते हैं. सो कोई कैपिंग नहीं है. सो यू कैन स्पेंड एज मच एज यू वांट ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट. ठीक है. नो कमिंग टू दी डाउट्स दैट पीपल हैड रिगार्डिंग सम प्रोडक्ट्स. तो यहाँ पे अगर आप लिस्ट में देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे वायरलेस कीबोर्ड एंड माउस मेंशन है. And people ask me that whether they can buy a gaming keyboard or a mechanical keyboard or not. So I want to tell you that although it is not mentioned that you can buy a wired keyboard or a mechanical or a gaming keyboard, but I want to tell you that yes, you are eligible to buy a mechanical or a gaming keyboard from that money, and you can claim that later from Accenture. So for an example, yeah. So this is the mechanical keyboard or a gaming keyboard that I bought from Accenture work from home money. So I have already claimed for this, and you can also do that. ठीक है. And मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि I have mentioned all of the products that I bought from work from home money. Okay, and the product list is given in the description, so you can check them out, as well as मैंने अपने best product recommendation भी दिए हैं description पे. आप वो भी खरीद सकते हैं, and आपके वो अच्छे बजट में पड़ेंगे. आपका जो total overall work from home setup है वो भी बन जाएगा. अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो वो आप खरीद सकते हैं. Now coming to the another doubt which was related to office chair. Now people had asked me like what kind of chair they can buy and whether they can buy a gaming chair or not, and how much amount they can spend on chair. Like I said earlier, there's no capping on amount which you want to spend on a particular product. So it is totally up to you कि आप कितना खर्च करना चाहते हैं अपने चेयर पे. ठीक है. And it is recommended to get a office chair. Now office chair आप किसी भी तरह का ले सकते हैं, चाहे आप उसको full मतलब जो बिल्कुल हेडरेस्ट के साथ आता है आप वो वाला लीजिए, चाहे आप छोटा वाला लीजिए. It's totally up to you. And you can also buy a gaming chair, and you can claim that money from Accenture. I just have a small suggestion. The amount that you're gonna be spending, just do it wisely, because you can get a ton of products from that that money. And if you already have table chair, then there's no need to buy one, so then you can easily shift your focus to other product as well. So यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हमें मिल जाते हैं. आप ईयरबड्स ले सकते हैं, पावर बैंक ले सकते हैं, आप कीबोर्ड्स ले सकते हैं, देन आप टेबल ले सकते हैं, चेयर ले सकते हैं, मॉडर्न ले सकते हैं, वाइट बोर्ड ले सकते हैं. सो आप क्या बोलते हैं, प्रिंटर ले सकते हैं. इट इज़ टोटली अप टू यू, बट मेक श्योर वट एवर प्रोडक्ट यू आर बाइंग इट कम्स विथ अ GST बिल. मतलब अगर आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट ले रहे हैं, ऑनलाइन ले रहे हैं, ऑफलाइन ले रहे हैं, तो उसका बिल लेना ना भूलिएगा. एंड बिल मस्ट बी GST बिल, एंड दी पेमेंट शुड बी मेड ऑनलाइन. ओके. So suppose you bought any product from offline market as well, yes, you are eligible to claim that money as well, but make sure you get the GST bill for that product, and the payment that you made must be through a online source. ठीक है. It might be UPI payment, or it might be NEFT transfer, so it is totally up to you, and you have to upload that payment details in Allsec website in order to claim this money. Yeah, and the next point is regarding the claiming of money. So you can claim that money up to December every month. So I want to tell you that the claiming process is very easy. All you have to do is go to Allsec website, and under that you will find the work from home reimbursement. You have to fill the product details, and you have to attach the bill plus the payment details. Plus I want to tell you that the amount that you claimed will be credited at the month end. It is not going to come with the month salary. It is going to come separately. तो make sure कि अगर आपके सैलरी आ जाती है, अगर आप उसमें अमाउंट नहीं देखते, तो पैनिक करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज ये अलग से क्रेडिट होती है. सो दिस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट पीपल हैड आस्क्ड मी सो मेनी टाइम्स वाज लाइक, दे आस्क्ड मी लाइक व्हाट रोल्स आर एलिजिबल फॉर दिस प्रोग्राम और दिस बेनिफिट. सो आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट irrespective of your role, like if you are ASC, FSC, analyst or and manager, it doesn't matter. If you are an employee of Accenture, then you are eligible for this benefit. Okay, तो अगर Accenture के अगर आप पार्ट हैं, ठीक है, आपने रिसेंटली ज्वाइन किया है, आप करने वाले हैं, बट मेक श्योर दिसंबर से पहले, क्योंकि ये जो बेनिफिट है ये दिसंबर तक ही मिलेगा, उसके बाद नहीं मिलेगा. ठीक है. तो अगर आपका पोजीशन कोई भी है, चाहे आपका रोल कोई भी है, यू ऑल आर एलिजिबल फॉर दिस बेनिफिट, एंड यू कैन बाय प्रोडक्ट्स एंड यू कैन क्लेम फॉर दैट. सो गाइस, these were all the points that were related to Accenture work from home program. If you have still any doubts, you can comment down and I will try to answer. And one more thing यार, मैं आजकल मतलब रिप्लाई नहीं दे पा रहा, because I am busy in my Accenture work and as well as I am also busy in my personal life, so it is very hard for me to reply to each and everyone, but I will make sure कि जिसका मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट लगता है I will reply to that, या फिर अगर मेरे को टाइम मिलता है तो मैं सबका ही देने का ट्राई करूँगा. एंड गाइज, ये बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है, एंड यू कैन मेक योर एंटायर वर्क फ्रॉम होम सेटअप, एंड नॉट जस्ट वर्क फ्रॉम होम setup, because the products that you're gonna buy will be useful for other stuff as well, so you can make your YouTube studio as well. So it is totally up to you how wisely you spend your money. And सेल भी आने वाली है, मैं तो यही बोलूँगा कि आप ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स लीजिए जो आपको डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस में मिलेंगे, क्योंकि आपका इससे जो बजट है वो आपको और ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा, एंड यू कैन बाई डे वेरियस स्टफ एज वेल. ठीक है. तो यही था बस आज के लिए. तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी, इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगी, तो वीडियो को लाइक कर सकते हैं, तो और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रा कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक के लिए बाय बाय और जय हिंद.